Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my one-pan sausage pepper rice. This is such a flavorful dish and it's so easy to make, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. You're going to need one sausage that's sliced. I'm using beef, but you can use your favorite sausage. One bell pepper that's sliced, and one onion that's sliced. 2 garlic cloves that's sliced, 1 tomato that's cubed, 1.5 cups of rice, white or brown. I'm using brown today. 3 cups of chicken broth. You can also use vegetable broth. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Start by sauteing the sausage. So place a pan over medium heat and add in the sliced sausage and saute till the sausage is well browned. This should take about 2 minutes. When the sausage is browned, transfer it to another plate. Now carefully wipe the excess grease from the pan and pour in about a tablespoon of olive oil and add in the sliced garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Next, add in the sliced bell pepper and onions and saute till the onions become translucent. I like to cover the pan so that the bell pepper can soften quicker. This should take about a good 3 minutes. Once the onions are translucent and the bell pepper is softened, add in the diced tomato and saute for about 2 minutes or till the tomatoes cook down. Then add in the spices and saute for another minute. Next, add in the rice and mix till the rice is coated with the sauteed onions, peppers, and the spices. Pour in the broth into the pan and add salt to taste. Now give this a quick stir. Cover and cook till the rice absorbs all of the broth and the rice is cooked. I used brown jasmine rice, which takes about 30 minutes to cook, but the cooking time varies on the rice you use. Make sure to check the rice in between. When the rice is cooked, add in the browned sausage and mix it into the rice. And finally, I like to sprinkle in some fresh cilantro at the end. The one-pan sausage pepper rice is done and ready to serve. I love to make this recipe. This is rich in flavor and it's a one pan. Nothing gets better than that. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!